Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Twitch overlay. So let's have a look now. At first, open your Twitch account, then go for New tab on your browser. Search for Stream Elements. And here you need to log in. Now log into your account. Now from the left corner menu, select on overlay. Here you can make new overlay. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.